Okay, well, I'm not sure how much I showed last time, but I'm pretty sure that was done previously. And went ahead and stained those two boards that got replaced. And all of this, the neighbor's property. Looks really, really good. Went ahead and did this. I know I didn't show that because it happened just the other day. And I went ahead and did the gate. And let's see if we can get this lock open here. And what's the combo? I can't remember. I think that might be it. Yep. Yep, got her open. So behind the house here, I went ahead and restained all of this. The wife definitely did help me with some of it. Probably from about here all the way down to the gap right there. So we have this board up to keep the dogs out. A couple of extra barrels of water just in case. Anyhow, I thought I would give you guys an update. Those of you watching on my NorCal 715 YouTube channel, electronic repairs will resume very shortly, I promise you, within the next couple of weeks. Even went ahead and did the back side of the gate. It's all stained very nicely. Everything looks great. Scramble this combination up close enough. And I always insert the hasp from the other side, and that makes the numbers easier to read on this side. But everything is looking great. Let's go in the backyard and show you the inside of the gate. One moment. So I'm pretty sure last time we left off, I had stained up to this point right there, but as you can tell, I was just down there. And yeah, everything is done, looking great. We previously went ahead and stained all of this side of the fence. Sorry about the glare with the sunshine. It is a very bright, sunshiny day today. All this has been done. And then I did go ahead and stain the back side of the gate right there. So everything is looking absolutely perfect. One more small thing I need to take care of before electronics repair resumes again. And that's in here. So baseboards, put the light on there. Baseboards have been done. They're all painted up, ready to go. I just have to attach them. Those are all the brand new baseboards that have been painted, and they go in the closets and over here and whatnot. So just as time allows. What the heck? What? Piece of cardboard. Okay, that's fine. Yep, and I got trim pieces right here that are gonna go right down there to hide the white. And then in the big box are transitions that are going to go in between the laminate and the tile right there. The same exact thing I did in here. There are the transitions when I laid the floor in here. And well, that one's got a drop of dog slobber on it. But yeah, those are the transitions that I chose. I think they look quite nice. Anyhow, electronics repairs to resume very shortly.